got some. I'm pretty sure like. What interior?
This one. The whole dash, they said. Yeah, this whole dash is 3D printed.
All charged for battery kill, so like charge the batteries right there, kill the battery.
What part of the interior was 3D printed?
The whole interior.
The whole.
Like not the seats, of course.
Yeah, but like the dash and stuff.
Like all the dash, all the door panels, all the sills, everything. So this whole entire car was 3D scanned interior-wise. Actually, the exterior was too. But the whole interior is 3D scanned, modeled, and then everything was resin printed. And so if you look, it's got a full hidden roll cage. Starting here, this panel actually wraps up, connects, fully wraps up into the full headliner, wraps back around, wraps over. It's all 100% connected. Like
you wouldn't even notice that.
No.
And it's a roll cage, so this thing.
Yeah, the roll cage is up underneath it.
Wow.
You got top 40.
Okay. I was about to say.
That.
But yeah.
Because this is, where you out of?
Cedar Rapids, Iowa.
Okay, Iowa, wow.
Yeah, and we've done wild things too. We've done some crazy tanker truck build. We did an import. We took first place with. We did another Corvette a few years ago and stuff. And
you have multiple cars in here, right?
not this year.
Not just, okay.
This is the only one this year.
Okay. I feel like I heard this name a few times.
Most cars had a lot of talk this week.
I just watched the video this morning. That's why I asked you that question, because I just watched like a little interview of the car when the guy said the whole thing was 3D printed. I'm like,
so the interior was done by Avant out of Miami, and I'm in Iowa. So we did the exterior, the body, the mechanical, and all that.
And they did a 3D print.
Yeah. It goes in like a Ford GT40.
Oh, right.
Our side scoops, they're actually functioning. They actually go all the way up to the brake release.
And that's what made me even look at that, because I looked at how deep these are. I'm like, those look functional too. And look at that
just there.
Carbon fiber. And
Cerakote engine, Cerakote brakes. Steve Morse built the engine down to the 985 on 93 octane. Just pushing minimal boost. He told me we could probably put almost 1,800 out of this engine, but I said I don't want any higher. Like honestly, the car weighs 3,500 pounds. It's got a 60-40 back motion, so it's a little tail heavy, which is what you want. So you're not
slinging it. Dang. And that motor.
Inconel headers, titanium exhaust. Brembo carbon ceramic brakes.
Okay, Brembo. Okay.
Bilstein coilovers. It's got a KW front hydraulic lift.
So with the Brembo, what did you have to do to get those? Did you custom make the?
So Art Morrison uses a Camaro rear spindle on their independent, so I was able to make the Brembos work really well down front. But the front, I had to make all for custom caliper brackets.
So they're all Brembo don't make nothing for old cars.
ABS.
Okay.
So we Bosch ABS system, so we machined our own ABS reluctor wheels into all the wheels, and we put reluctor wheels in the wheels. Davis traction control in it.
Oh damn!
So
there we
go. It's more of a engine management traction control. So it'll start cutting power out.
Okay.
So it won't break the wheel when the wheel starts spinning. It cuts back out, and then it'll re-go routine in once you're back under control.
I got a shop that I deal with that has 2 Steve Morrison engines, Pro Chargers, both.
Yeah.
Well, no, matter of fact, the second one they just got $100,000 twin turbo.
Yeah.
And the last one, Pro Charge, billet, all this. Man, I think about 60 grand for that one. How much?
This engine was 40.
Okay, but they race it.
Yeah.
So this is street. I'm
street engine. Like he told me, he's like, with running the least amount of power that you're running on this, he's like, I'm gonna guarantee you're a 50,000 mile engine. He goes, my race guys, I don't tell them that because they're beating them hard. He goes, but if you're running this little boost stuff like that, but he just built me a twin turbo LS3 too, and it dynoed at 1305 on pump gas, running 8 pounds of boost. That's it, 8 pounds.
What car is that going in?
It's going to a 70 Chevelle. and that was right in that 40-45 range too.
Man, yeah.
But I had to make my own headers and tubing and all that kind of stuff because I'm in such a tight area. I didn't want that part with them. So on his mock-up stuff, it ran that.
Okay.
And then he told me like both
headers.
engines he'll take back and fine tune if I want, but this thing's so scary I probably won't.
I don't even want to touch it.
Yeah, it doesn't probably
see
need
this
it.
roll out of here too. You guys, it's going through the parade. Probably
He's
not.
like, nah, trailer home.
Well, the problem is I got 15 miles on it. The customer wants it delivered to him in a week. I got to go home, put some miles on it, but I also don't want to take a chance of something fucking up here,
I
someone
hear you.
scratching, something
Somebody
like that.
scratch it, no one paying attention.
Yeah, you know.